going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Long time no see. I know this video isn't about this guy. It's actually about this guy. And this guy right here, this is the poster child for loss of motivation right now, because I've been trying to get out here to work on getting the motor in the truck and everything else going around at home here. But that is a video for a different day. What today's about is the S10. And it's more or less what we did with the S10, which was last fall. We went down to Medford, or Central Point. We did the Fall Enduro. Siskiyou Sports Car Club puts on an event called Fall Enduro. This is held at, they call it the Infinity Circuit. It's in Central Point. There's a little motorsport park down there. They have a drag strip and an old go-kart track and circle track and all sorts of fun stuff. But this was at the go-kart track. And they call that the Infinity Circuit. So what this was a 2-3 day event. Practice was on Friday or Saturday, and then the event was on Sunday, where the event, you go around, you have 5 laps to set your best time. And it's not just your best lap time, it's your best total time, which was actually really fun. So we took the S10 down there last year, 4.3 in it, basically stock truck, just a little bit of suspension stuff and some tires, old tires at this point, but had a great time. So I wanted to show you guys that Rogue Action Drones was down there, and they did drone footage all weekend long, which was really cool. They chased you around on Saturday during your practice, and they actually chased you around Sunday for your main event thing, and they did a great job. So I wanted to put a video together with their footage to show you guys the event, and hopefully you guys get some motivation, which I need to do to get the stupid truck done, to get down there. Check it out. It fills up fast, so I'm going to put the link to them in the description, and that would be Siskiyou Sports Car Club for the event. It fills up fast, so if you're interested, get signed up. Also, the link for Rogue Action Drones will be down there too. Show them some support because they do a great job. So yeah, I wanted to put this together. Let me know what you think. Subject for a different video, but I really do need to get motivated to get this truck done, because we have summer coming up, getting into spring, and I'd like to do something with it. So anyway, enjoy the footage here, and let me know what you think. See you later.
Next up, 136 can. You're good to go.
long for that one.
I just really do a 55.7. Fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Whew. Jeez. That is a fall enduro.
Really good.
This little thing said I went 55.7.
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah. You were going 56, highs 56, then low 56s, and then 55.
Whew.
Yeah.
I'll take that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So, started the weekend. Practice was yesterday. God dang, that was fun. Practice was yesterday. Started like mid 60s. Ended the day yesterday 57.4 or 57.5. God damn, I knew I had to do something. I wanted to be in the 55s, and I will be honest, I didn't think I could do it. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's freaking amazing. I'll take that. I will take that. Whew. Fuck. Oh, power steering's pissed. Yeah, power steering's pissed. Whew, this ain't good. Oh man, I can't do it. That was exciting. When I get home, give you guys a recap. But gosh, man, that was cool. That was cool. Medford Fall Enduro, put on by Siskiyou Sports Car Club. Definitely, if you're in the area, you got to do it.